I like it here, Susie. Look, there's something on the table. Wow, it's a chocolate bunny. He's so cute.
Oh yeah, you're lucky.
I'd love to keep looking at it, but I think I need to eat it.
Can I take a closer look first?
You want to eat it too? Well, it won't work. It's mine. How delicious it smells. I hope this won't let me down.
I would like to try at least one piece.
Stop dreaming, Susie. Suck it up. This is my rabbit. He's in my hands and I won't let him go.
We'll see about that. Give me a piece, please.
Leave me alone, Susie. I already told you.
But please.
I've almost eaten all of it.
Well, it looks like I'm really not going to get any chocolate.
I know how to cheer her up.
I don't like this challenge anymore. A huge rabbit! Help!
It's me, Susie.
More stupid jokes, Zach.
This isn't funny. Take a look. Okay, fine, I get it.
It's time for me to find out what's under my lid. Wow, a real rabbit! Wow, I didn't expect this.
How cute.
Oh my.
I just want to pet it. Zach, get your hands off. This is my rabbit.
I just wanted to touch it. I have a great idea.
Wow, a top hat. Interesting.
I'll use it to show you a trick. I'll need to take the rabbit for that. I'll send him straight into the top hat. Come on, sit down, little buddy. And just like that, voila! No more rabbit.
Wow, that's magic. Okay, that's enough. Give me my rabbit back.
You're giving me quite a big task. First, I gotta look for him. An umbrella doesn't seem like the right thing. Oh, what do we have here? Colorful flags.
Why do you have so much junk?
Sorry, that's just what magicians need. Let me keep looking. Just give me some more time. Oh, I found something. Got it.
Oh my! Finally, come here, baby. I missed you.
You see, you shouldn't have been worried. I love rocking on chairs.
Careful, Zach. You don't want to fall.
Oh, look! What's this? I have a chocolate basketball.
And I have a regular one.
So much chocolate. This ball's quite heavy and it smells delicious.
So what do I do with this real ball? I think I've come up with something. I can play basketball. I just need to change my clothes. Admit it, I look really good in this uniform. I'm a great ball player, look.
Wow, Susie, even I'm surprised.
Now I'll show you something. Let me throw it. Oh no, I missed.
Oh, my head!
Zach, how are you? What have I done? Oh, what a nightmare. Oh, what do I see? That's the chocolate basketball. Now it's mine.
Someone say something about the chocolate basketball? Susie, you stop right there.
I won't give it to you.
What have you done? Look! The ball almost made it into the basket! Susie, we did it! Let's hug!
Now I'll take it for myself. Oh, my shoelaces are untied. I'm falling! Help! Oh no! The ball's right under me. It looks like I broke it. What a bad landing.
Yeah.
Oh well, the main thing is that I'm fine. And by the way, eating this ball is a lot easier now.
What are you doing, Susie? That's my chocolate! I'm gonna have nothing left. I'm gonna cry.
Oh, there's more chocolate on my t-shirt. Well, I need to eat it.
I wonder what's under these this time. What if we swap them?
Zach, I'm getting dizzy. Stop it.
Okay, whatever you say. I have a real hot dog!
And I have a chocolate hot dog that's much cooler.
No, not that! It's spicy Tabasco!
And I have chocolate sauce. Perfect! I'm sure this will be the perfect complement to my sweet hot dog. I see you're not as lucky as me. Be strong! Come on, Zach, get started.
I was gonna let you go first. Well, whatever. Better get this over with. I don't like spicy food. I'll drop just a little bit, so I don't feel the Tabasco.
Zach, this isn't serious. Let me help you out. We need to add more.
Stop, Susie, that's enough! Don't do that!
Calm down, Zach. It's just a game. Here, you need to try it. Help yourself.
What have you done? How am I gonna eat this?
Looks like I'll have to help you.
Please don't. See, I'm already eating. Strange.
What?
Nothing's happening. Well, this is great. I'm pretty happy. I can safely eat this whole hot dog.
I don't understand.
That was very delicious. And I'm all right, Susie. I shouldn't have been afraid. Or maybe not. It's getting hot in here. I'm burning.
Turn around, Zach. Ah, how hot.
I can't control it. Whew, it's all over now.
You made my hands burn.
You were the one who made me eat it.
I hope this sweet hot dog will bring me to my senses. It looks very appetizing. Oh, I almost forgot about the sauce. I really need to add it. The main thing is to pour a lot. I'm sure it'll taste even better this way.
That's what I want. A chocolate hot dog. I have to try it.
Who's there?
What?
Take a closer look, Susie. In the meantime, I'll take your chocolate sausage. Oh, I did it! Wow!
I don't understand. There was no one there. Well, it's time for me to eat. It's a little tough, but it's delicious. But there's something missing. Where's my sausage? Someone stole it.
No!
Something happened, Susie. I didn't see anything.
I'm sure you're hiding something from me. I'll get it out of you.
Stop, Susie, stop it! I'll tell you everything!
You don't have to, Zach. I guessed for myself.
But this chocolate sauce is pretty tasty.
Zach, I think this is weird. Do you understand anything?
What's it?
No, I think we should take a closer look.
I think these are fire extinguishers, and they smell weird. I think it's edible. I'll check it out now. The hose broke off. I was right.
Wow, that's great. I'm gonna try my own fire extinguisher. I can't take a bite. Turns out this is real. Oh, that hurts. Well, I'm out of a lunch. Maybe there's something delicious inside. What a tight handle, I need to push. Whoa, foam! I can't see anything.
Zach, what's going on over there? You're all a mess.
I think I removed all the foam. But no, there's still some left on my nose. I think it's best to turn the fire extinguisher in the other direction and move it away.
I'm gonna move mine closer. It's time to eat. Oh, so delicious. There's no stopping me now.
I'm gonna starve to death.
Don't be so dramatic, Zach.
But I want to try it too.
Some other time. It's time to get rid of this completely. Ooh, that's not so easy. My teeth are slipping. It's not working. Need to think up something. I have an idea. I'll cut it with this axe.
Be careful, Susie.
Everything's under control. Don't worry, Zach. I almost got it.
That's enough. Stop it.
Okay. I'm done here. Finally, I can eat in peace.
Wow, that's a lot of chocolate.
Yeah, huge chunks. I was lucky.
I wouldn't jump to conclusions, Susie. I have a gun.
Uh-oh.
Zach, put that hose down now.
Oh, I don't think so. This is war. Take that.
Did you hear something, Monica? A strange sound.
What?
Sorry, that was an accident. I have to go. What was that?
What?
Chocolate. I finally got it.
Hey, Zach, did you miss me? Give that to me. This is mine. Well, there's just one piece left. You traitor.
Wow, strawberries? Mine are so cold, they're like right out of the freezer. I don't get why you would bother freezing berries. They're perfect as is. And strawberries and chocolate? That's a culinary masterpiece. Whoa, you melted it down. Yep, it's even better this way. Look, I've got fresh strawberry jam. And with that, I can make myself a real treat. First, for all the strawberries. There we go. And now to top that all off with chocolate. Wow, the fountain turned strawberry flavored. And my drink turned out perfectly. It's my turn to take a taste. I hope the sauce doesn't ruin my fruit. Delicious. Wow, your lips have turned blue, like your berry. Cool. I think cooling this down even further will only serve to improve it. Check out my iced strawberry. Chips, nice. Let's just find out what's inside here. Whoa, this is just half ice.
What?
Toss that out of the way. Oops, some fell in the fountain. Although, maybe that's a good thing. I wonder what flavor it is now. It goes perfectly with my chips. I like it. I'm ready to give mine a go. Oh no, are those chunks of coal? Oh no! My chips have been burnt to a crisp. Maybe this will save the situation. Doesn't look very appetizing. Gross. This is inedible. Anything but broccoli. I hate this stuff. Ew, and it's been overcooked too.
What?
Well, mine's frozen in cubes of ice. I'm afraid we've got no choice but to soldier forward. I'll just layer on lots of chocolate and then add sprinkles on top of that. Ugh, no, even that won't make me risk this. I hope I can handle my serving and don't chip a tooth drawing. And I think I know just how to do that. Smoothie time. All the broccoli cubes go in the blender, and then I'll cover that with chocolate and blend. Here's hoping it's both healthy and delicious. Wish me luck.
Okay.
That's just wonderful. Just like I thought it'd be.
Oh.
Really? Can I try a sip? It smells safe enough. Drink up, Wendy. Ugh, you tricked me and made a huge mess. Marshmallows and ice? Fantastic. And I eat these how? Mine are fresh from the campfire, roasted to perfection. I'm so lucky. Ooh, so fun and stretchy. There's no way chocolate won't go great with this. Oh, looks to die for. Maybe the chocolate will melt my ice a bit. Nope, not even a little. Poor girl. I see you're having a really hard time. I can help you though. Here, take this.
What?
Well, if you think it'll help. Oh, it all exploded. Yep, it worked all right.
Oh no!
An icy egg? so not gonna be good. My fried one isn't all that much better. Well, mostly because there's no way I want to eat this with chocolate.
No, Dodo.
How is it? Revolting. I am done. Oh, this is rich. My egg is straight up frozen to my plate. That's fine. I've got the tools for this job right here. A spatula will lift it off in no time flat. There we go. Where's it going?
What?
Whoa, that came down hard. And now it's wedged into the table. I have the worst luck. Oops. Yeah, that just went from bad to worse, didn't it? Alright, I guess I'll just give this a nibble. It's rock hard and not at all tasty. Ugh, I need to wash that awful taste out of my mouth. Fresh, hot pizza. Finally something great. Ow, I burnt my finger.
What?
Mine won't do that, though it may give me frostbite. No turning back, though. I'll go for this slice of disturbingly blue pizza. It's so cold. Hurts my teeth just looking at it. There has to be a way to get around this. I do have my iron handy. I'll just thaw up my pizza a bit. What's with the smoke? Oh no, how could I be so careless? And how did I manage to make this worse? I'm going hungry this round. Well, I won't be saying the same thing. Too bad I have to ruin my pizza with chocolate sauce. But why not just change the fountain's flavor to something cheesier? Now that's what I'm talking about. Perfection.
Mommy?
This is the best thing I've eaten all day long. Frozen fries. My luck turned against me real quick.
Oh no!
I feel for you. It's clear that my hot French fries are much more appetizing. Not even chocolate spoils them. Maybe I'll go out on a good note too. I'll risk a bite. Ooh, brr. I've got a plan though. Some hot air will make everything better. Oops, I didn't see that coming. My fries turned into mashed potatoes. You think this is funny, do you? Well, what about this then? Incoming! Why would you do that?
I love whistling different tunes. Stop it, Mary. You're making my ears hurt. You don't like my whistling. That's really mean. Don't worry, your mouth's gonna have something to do soon. Look how much ice cream we have. It's fantastic. And I have spicy gum. That's not fair. How awful. Yeah, I don't envy you at all. I suggest we start. You first. Actually, I'm a little scared. I wouldn't want to rush this. Okay, let's see what's inside the package. Wow, the gum is so spicy that it's even smoking. Maybe I'll like it. I'll have to check it out. Oh, it's quite good. I even like it. I think I may have jumped to conclusions. My mouth is on fire. How spicy! Keep it together, Mary. What was that? Why does it smell like something's burning? Is that coming from me? I must have imagined it.
Oh my god!
I think the flames have subsided. I need something cold right away. Lily, your ice cream is just perfect. How are you, Mary? Oh, I get it. Looks like your head is stuck in the jar. Hang on, I'll help you out. Thank you, Lily. It's finally over. How am I supposed to eat this ice cream now? There's a print of your face in it, and your eyelashes too! Ugh, that looks disgusting. Destroyed my appetite. Thanks for giving them back. We need to glue them back on. That's much better. I still have some bad associations with this. But I have an idea! I need to turn this ice cream upside down and start eating it from the other side. To make it come out of the jar easy, I'll tap on the bottom and the walls. And now I can lift it up. This is great! Looks even better than before. Right. Now I get to try this. My dream has come true. What could be better than chocolate ice cream? In my opinion, nothing. Oh yeah, you're so lucky. Mary, you have no idea how good this is. I wish I could try it. I'm running out of ice cream. It's so good. But why did it get so cold in here? I can't move. Oh no, Lily's frozen. She's turned into an ice statue. We need to warm her up right away. I hope my gum will help me out with that. Lily, open your mouth. I've got an idea. Maybe you shouldn't do that. It's our only chance to bring you back to life. But now I'm on fire. It's just a side effect. There's nothing you can do about it. Oops, sorry, I couldn't help myself. So, where's our food? Look, here it is. Can't believe my eyes. It's a chocolate fountain. I have to try it right away. I really love chocolate. I wasn't wrong. It's so good. What about you, Lily? A fountain of gum. I've never seen anything like this. Just look how many there are. I want to try it right now. Mmm, so sweet. It's just awesome. I can imagine. That's some good luck. I can't tear myself away. There's so many different flavors in here. Oh, I think my gum is stuck. I can't get it off. Oh, I'm gonna tear it anyways. Maybe you shouldn't try so hard, Lily. The situation got a little out of hand. You've got gum all over your head now. Why don't you put it away? Hey, there's something about this. Now I always have gum handy. Also, this hairstyle really suits me. Okay, well, time for my fountain. By the way, it's just as good as your gum. There's something missing. Oh, I got it! It's coming. I love cake pops. They're so delicious. Andy, I'll take this. Thanks. Hey, that's mine! Look what I got, Lily. I'm gonna eat chocolate-covered cake pops. Isn't that great? It's coating it so nicely, just like it's supposed to.
Nice job.
It looks really good, but I need more chocolate. Yeah, this is what I need. Great job, Mary. It's so heavy, I'm falling over. Well, there you go. Those cake pops really got the best of me. Now I'm feeling a little messy. What's that, a new hat? Yeah, just like yours. Oh yeah, we're in the same style today. Now we always have food on hand. I like that a lot. Me too. Super. I hate waiting. It's so boring. Yeah, I don't know what to do with myself anymore. Finally, our food. Super. Oh my goodness. It's a huge jar of Nutella. I'm finally gonna get to eat it. What is that? I don't understand. Good thing I have something plain and simple. You just open the jar and you can eat it. Oh, I have an idea. I'm gonna make a sweet chocolate sandwich, but I need toast for that first. I love it when it's crispy. Well, we'll have to wait a little. While the bread's in the toaster, I'll get to the Nutella. Great! It's coming right to me. Flying right into my hands. What a huge piece. This is great.
What?
How did you do that? You put a small piece of bread into the toaster. Don't try to figure it out. Just go with it. Well, it's time to get started making this delicious toast. How beautiful the Nutella just pours out. It's time to spread it on the bread. Lily, look how pretty it looks. It's just like cake frosting. It's done. I finally get to try it. Hey, what happened? Why do I only have crust in my hands? I look beautiful today. It's a good time to take a selfie. What the heck is this? Bread crust? Where'd that come from? We'll have to take that off right away. Looks like the Nutella was too heavy and only the crust came off. It's okay. It's even better without it. I'm gonna eat this bread with the chocolate Nutella paste. It's so nice just to touch. It's like a delicate cream biscuit. Tastes great. Super. I'm satisfied. I want more and more. I can hardly contain myself. It looks so appetizing. My plan was just genius. Now it's your turn, Lily. I'll have to finally find out what this is. It looks like a big gun. There's something inside. I can't figure out what to do. Wow! It looks like it shoots gum. I hope it's tasty. I'll see if I take a bite. Wow! It's pretty good all of a sudden. I need to blow a bubble. I wonder if I can do that. What a surprise! You're in luck! Sorry, Lily, but I have to step in. I'm gonna put the jar here. Pretend it's your target. What am I supposed to do? Oh, I get it! I have to shoot it! I think I can do that. Let's go! Wow! I'm pretty good at this. I almost hit the center. I got it! I got 10! Well done, Lily. The main thing is, don't stop. Keep going. I'm a great shot, aren't I, Mary? Oh yeah, I'm proud of you. Look at this. I blasted the target right in the center. What are you doing, Mary? Chewing gum? They're mine now. You put them in my jar. That's not fair. Sorry, but that's the rules of the game. You shouldn't have agreed. My eyes are closing. I'm so tired. Maybe this'll cheer you up? It looks really appetizing. No way. I got a huge piece of gum. I need to break off a piece as soon as possible. It's yummy. Yeah, I believe you, Mary. Congratulations. But could you calm down a bit? You're making me nervous. I hope my cookie won't fail me either. It's supposed to be delicious. But why can't I cut it? I guess I'll have to put a little more effort into it. This isn't working either. I'll try it with a knife. It's working! Finally, I can't wait to try it. Let's see what this piece is like. Wow, it looks great, but it smells even better. I'm sure the taste won't disappoint me. Oh yeah, this is great, just like a real Oreo cookie. Only 100 times bigger. You gave me a genius idea. What if I cut my gum with a knife? It works! It's working out! What perfect slices! It looks like a gum cake. It is a cake! Why didn't I think of this right away? The cake and the cream just melt in my mouth. This is amazing! Cake and gum? No way! There's no way that exists. Believe me, Lily, there is, and it's delicious! I won't stop till I've eaten every last crumb. There's only a few bites left. I'm pretty good at this. That's it! That was really good. Good thing I still have some gum. It's time for me to blow a bubble. Wow, it's huge! That's awesome! I probably shouldn't have blown it so much. Yeah, that was awkward. Mary, I hope you're okay. Get back to your seat. There's something funny about this. Stuff happens. I see you still have some cookie left. Bon appetit, Lily. Stop it! Stop it! I'm sorry, Mary. I'm sick of this. Well, I think it turned out to be a lot of fun. It's like jumping on a trampoline. And now a sweet party. I finally got this new issue of the comics. It's so beautiful. I'm really excited about it. Wow, Iron Man is awesome. Oh, I think there's something yummy here. This is really good. Oh, Andy got it again. I suggest that we stop fighting. Let's both just enjoy these sweets.
is a light bulb. I'm not gonna eat this. I think one of these might be different. Yep, it's chocolate.
What?
Maybe you shouldn't have eaten it. Now you're glowing like a light bulb too. I hope that doesn't happen to me. It's shocking the crap out of me. I knew I shouldn't have risked touching it.
Oh, man!
You got that right. Cameras. And this is a beaut.
Whoa.
Mine looks a lot more impressive.
Oh.
How about I snap a few pictures of you? Look how great that one turned out. I can't do anything like that with my camera, but at least it should be really delicious. I would have liked to have tried it. Sorry, hold on. Whoa, it looks like you turn into a camera. And what is this? What a terrible photo. Trash it.
What?
These new treats are kind of weird. I agree. Not very appetizing.
No!
That's because you got plastic, but I don't. These scissors are fantastic. Now to try out the clothespins. Could I get a bite? Nope, they're mine. Fine, be that way. I know what to do. Just a few magical moves and voila. This is just what I need. I don't get it. How is that going to help us?
Whoa.
Patience. You'll see soon. Hey, why are you clipping me to the rope? Now you won't be able to bother me. Yum. So worth it. I'll get you back for this. We'll see about that. Here. Thanks. What a beautiful purse. I've dreamed of this. Even so, it's not as amazing as my chocolate one. I'll never go hungry with this by my side. Oh, and there's something inside. Ooh, makeup. Better than words can describe.
Oh.
I'm so happy for you. Maybe there's something in mine, too? Wow, such pretty shades. That's so beautiful. Just look at how well this pink goes with my eyes. I'd like to try for myself. It spreads so nicely. What did you do this time? You ruined everything. I think you look great. Pringles? How lucky. Yeah! Typical chips are boring. Chocolate ones are amazing. Can't agree with you there. These are to die for. I just can't stop. I want more and more and more. Are you okay over there, man? Oh no, there's only one little chip left. My hand, it's stuck. You are so unlucky sometimes. Watch and learn. This is how one eats chips. Look how many there are.
Wow!
And they melt in your mouth. Wait a tick. One stuck to the bottom of the can. No way. My hand is stuck now too. No biggie. I'll get it out. You just got lucky. Don't be grumpy. We'll get your hand out too. Oh, with that? Get away. Did that really work? Cool. Thanks, Wendy. Why don't I have anything? Oh, what pretty flowers. They're fantastic. And the smell. You've got chocolate all over your nose? Ooh, that means I can eat these. And per the usual, you got the better end of the deal. It's not my fault that the fates are smiling on me. This isn't fair.
What?
What's going on? Where's that light coming from? A recorder? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're too kind. I love you. French fries. Can't think of a better snack than this. Not bad, not bad. But chocolate always wins. These are my kind of fries. Nice and sweet. I hope mine don't let me down. They're cold. I need to warm these up before digging in. I'll just pop them into the microwave for a few seconds. Done. Hot. Just how I like them. Now that's more like it. Maybe I should warm mine up too. Let's see. Wow, a toasty cup of hot cocoa covered with mini marshmallows. Don't mind if I do. Perfection. Let's start things off with a chocolate burger. Wow, I've never seen anything better than this. Well, I've got pink French fries. And while I'm pretty sure they'll be good, I won't argue. Your dish is better. I like them. Oh, they turned your teeth pink, Monica. Seriously? I need a mirror stat. How awful! How am I gonna get it off? Oh, am I gonna be stuck like this forever now? I hope my burger won't have any bad consequences. I doubt it will, but that doesn't mean I can't ruin it. It's chilly in here. Let's heat up the room. What's happening? Why is my burger melting? My plan worked. Time for my revenge. What are you doing to me? I don't want a stash. I think it looks perfect. Enjoy. Pack after pack of chocolate gum? No way. I've got classic pink bubblegum, and I ain't mad about it. The strip is so long. This will last me all day.
Wow!
Or maybe not. Ooh, bubbles. This is amazing. I really like being able to pop them. I wonder if the same thing will happen to me. Only one way to find out. Yum. And that's one pack down. Now for the best part. Watch, Monica. Wow, that's turning out great. You're a pro. Should I let it fly away or pop it? I think I'll go with option 2. A cocoa downpour. Holy moly! I've never seen anything like that. Chocolate chips, but not what you think. These pretty and pink chips are even better. I'll bet they're sweet. Yep, I hit it on the nose. But I think they could use some sauce. Oh, dessert fountain. Whoa, how'd you do that? That's my little secret. Uh-huh, that was a great idea. I'm a genius. Well, it doesn't work for me. Chocolate, please. That's what I'm talking about. This is what dreams are made of. Mary, you ruined my fountain. Let go of it. You splashed it on me. And you me. But now we know what it feels like to bathe in chocolate sauce. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, a pink frosted cake. Nice break of chocolate, Mary. Yeah, I know it's not the best. My dessert could use some finishing touches. More frosting it is. I didn't know you were so talented, decorating-wise. You ain't seen nothing yet. Look, now I can cut myself a slice. There's so many layers and so much frosting. That's fine. I'll make something just as impressive out of this. First to hack this part off. What are you doing? The ideal treat. This is a culinary masterpiece. I'll catch that butterfly easily. Come here, my sweet. Hey, what the what? Take this, Monica. I was just joking. I'm never amused with someone messing with my chocolate. But now everything is back in place. Bon appetit, meanie. And lift. One tiny piece of candy? How lame. Same over here. This won't fill me up. So I'll just have to make it bigger. Alright, I'm suited up and I've got my chemical solution. Voila! Now this size is much more to my liking. All that's left is to break it into more manageable pieces. A job well done, Monica. That really was impressive. I want to do the same. Okay, it's experiment time. Pour in the solution. Whoa, that was a big bang. Chemistry isn't your forte. This thing is so hard and smooth, I can't get a bite. Oh, right, I forgot. I need to crack it open.
Wow!
Whoa, that was amazing. So many M&Ms. How did that happen? My experiment worked. All right, I admit it. You've got talent. This is getting boring.
Wow!
But ice cream fixes that. Wow, a pink waffle cone. Check this out. This is the best ice cream ever. And I've got chocolate sauce to go with it. The more, the better. Soft serve is the best. It melts in your mouth. literally. It does look yummy. Fingers crossed, mine's just as delightful. But my sauce won't come out. Oh no, I spilled it all. Yeah, and on me too. Hold on. Don't spray me right in the face. Put it on my ice cream. Yum! You saved the day, Mary. Yeah, that turned out well. Pink Fanta? You know, I am pretty thirsty. I don't see anything special about that when it's next to this chocolate wonder. You're jealous, I know. No need to tell me. The whole bottle is edible. Ooh, and it's filled with even more candy. Oh, I want to try one of those. Not gonna happen. Drink your soda. Although, maybe I could spare one piece. Catch. That hurt. I hope this rosy pop will make me feel a little bit better at least. Ooh, so refreshing. And now to get Mary back for her stunt. My water gun is armed and ready. Take cover, Mary. Oh, that's what you get. Tastes good. It was worth it.
This chocolate smells amazing, and this eye is enormous.
I want to try.
Looks like a ball, honestly. I'm a pro. I can net it on my first try.
Here we go!
Wow, it shattered into a bunch of small eyes. That worked out pretty cool.
Wow!
I'll try them now.
Oh.
They taste great. I want some more.
Awesome!
Oops, someone's out of luck.
That garlic is rank. Ugh, this is an epic fail. You need to sprinkle it with some freshener ASAP. And meanwhile, I'll add some chocolate. What happened?
What?
It all turned to chocolate?
That's an unexpected turn of events.
Wow!
I like this garlic way more than I normally would. It tastes great.
Oh, come on!
Mind sharing with a friend?
Of course I mind.
No.
Low blow, Wendy.
Where's the food? Oh no. Pepper. Oh, it'd be better to just go hungry.
I got lucky this round.
I could also go for some chips.
Too bad they don't go so well with chocolate. Gross. I got it. You just need to add chocolate directly to the can. Voila! Now you have chocolate. I'll gladly devour these. Simply divine.
Whoa!
Not everyone is as lucky as you are, Zach. I, for one, have to suffer this round. Chocolate won't save me from the spiciness of this pepper.
Oh my god!
Quit breathing on my chips.
Ah!
Actually turned out pretty well. We should probably put out Wendy before she burns the place to the ground.
Thanks, Zach.
Cool!
Now you can safely eat. Want some?
Yes!
Sure, plain chocolate is way better than hot peppers. A huge cake. Perfect.
I'm scared.
Don't even think about touching my cake. You have your own food.
Thanks for reminding me about this bitter and disgusting onion. Ugh, this is what I get.
Hey, you!
Last bite. Oh, I can't do it.
No!
Then I'll go. First, I'll cut the cake into pieces.
I didn't know you were so bloodthirsty, Wendy.
I just really love chocolate and would do anything for it. Yummy! Try not to be jealous, Zach.
I'm not. I have an idea. Why don't we turn this chocolate fountain into an onion one? How do you like that?
I need more sauce, as much as possible. Disgusting!
She's so weak. She dropped out immediately. That means the cake is mine. But how do I eat it with this mask on?
Oh no!
It looks like a huge red button. I think we need to press it.
It worked! Now we've got gummy bears swimming in our chocolate fountain.
They're so cute. And delicious. I'll try fishing some out.
Oh!
Chocolate-covered gummy bears are even better than regular ones.
I hope I get something tasty.
Marshmallows.
There's so many. I love these soft white marshmallows.
There's no stopping you, I take it.
That was just a taste. Now I want even more sweets.
Don't even think about it. They're mine.
Chocolate.
Uh-oh!
We're so dirty now.
Oh my god!
But look here. It's a marshmallow bear.
Awesome!
You have to try it.
Tasty. It was totally worth it.
Ice cream. I just wanted to cool off.
Corn?
Awesome!
I almost forgot to put the chocolate on. I want something sweet, and I think I know how to get it. Just bathe the corn in the chocolate sauce.
Looks tasty.
That's not all. Now let's make some popcorn.
Oh my god!
It worked. Look at how beautiful this is. I want more and more. What are you looking at? Eat your ice cream.
With pleasure. I'll just pour some chocolate on it. Done. Let's see what happened.
Can I have some too?
No!
Nope, not gonna share.
What?
Fine, then watch out.
Did something just fly by me? Wendy, calm down. Everything's okay.
What? Uh-oh.
I was unable to eliminate the enemy. Maybe we can try some peaceful negotiation?
Not a bad idea. Let's join forces.
It turned out so well.
Awesome.
You just need to add some chocolate.
Yes.
This dessert is perfect.
I can't wait to try it. You're right, Zach. This is the best. Pumpkin?
Oh, really?
I don't want pumpkin.
La, 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 la.
Yeah, I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy.
Awesome.
Chupa Chups. I got a sucker. It's so beautiful. I'll drench it in chocolate. Wait, there's not that much left. This isn't enough. I better come up with something.
What?
Wow, your sucker turned into a bunch of little ones.
Let's see them multiply.
How is that even possible?
What?
Doesn't matter. The main thing is now I can dip in the chocolate and it all goes directly in my mouth.
I see someone took it a little too far.
Help me!
So be it, I'll help. I'm fine.
I see that, Wendy. What is that?
Time for a little witchcraft.
I'm coming up with lots of ideas.
I've got it. I need a big ladle. But it won't be so easy filling it with chocolate. I'll pour it in.
How is that supposed to help you?
This will make it so much easier to eat. I knew this was no ordinary pumpkin.
Wendy, stop throwing food at me. That's it. I'm sick of this. Time to take action. Wendy, want some chocolate?
Hey!
Sure.
Yeah!
Then help yourself.
What are you doing, Zach? Take that.
Oh my god!
This is war. I'm really hungry.
Don't worry, there's enough food here.
This cheese looks good. But the lemon is disgusting. How come I got it? I'll try it though. Maybe it's not terrible. Revolting!
No point in even giving this dish a second thought. I'm sure I'll like cheese and chocolate. A mouse? Get it away! Wow, I dropped the cheese in the fountain and it turned all cheesy.
Yes!
We need some new food.
Great idea. Let's see what we have. We need some chicken nuggets.
And fries. Let's try.
Turned out great. Even the mouse liked it.
Awesome!